The future of Web3 is here, and Tusima is at the forefront. Partnering with NetStars, Japan's largest QR payment network, Tusima is bringing blockchain payments to nearly 500,000 POS devices. And this means secure, borderless transactions seamlessly integrated into everyday commerce. A true revolution in how we use money. But Tusima isn't stopping at payments. Collaborating with AI on Web3 Inc. and on us, they're rolling out AI-powered blockchain-based coupon solutions. Imagine personalized, fraud-proof discounts that adjust in real time. It's a win for both consumers and businesses. And this is just the beginning. Tusima has loyalty programs, digital identity tools, and cutting-edge financial solutions in the works, making blockchain not just innovative, but essential. The Web3 revolution isn't just coming, it's happening right now, and Tusima is leading the way. Of course, this is all my research, do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.